On a clear day, you can see Jerusalem and the Dead Sea, but we don't have a clear day. We have photochemical smog, it looks like. But this is Mount Nebo, and this is the land which I swore to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob that I would give to their descendants. Deuteronomy 34:1-8. This is the Transjordanian plateau that we're standing on right now, overlooking the Great Syrian Rift Valley, which is, I'm on top of the plateau where the African and Saudi Arabian plates run into the Eurasian plates, creating a rift zone into which the Dead Sea flows. And we're looking at that right now. This is the Holy Land, as God promised it to Abraham and the Israelites. It's a site of constant conflict and contention. Look much like a land that anyone would want to be promised. This is the rain-shadowed desert right here, but as you go farther eastward towards the coast, it becomes much better watered and temperate Mediterranean biome. I think you can make out the Dead Sea, at least I can. Probably not on the photo though. Everywhere you go, there's a checkpoint. Must be. Across from the sea is Israel. We had to go through 2 border patrol checks here, passport checks, to get to the Dead Sea on the Jordan side. Used to be the Jordanian terrorists would take boats across the Dead Sea at night and attack posts on the Israeli side, but since 1988, I believe, Jordan has made peace. The Dead Sea is called the Dead Sea because of its great high salt content. It's 10 times saltier than the ocean and twice as salty as the Great Salt Lake, because the Jordan River Valley flows into the Dead Sea, but there's no outlet. There's no outlet. The hot summer sun evaporates the water, leaving a residual salt that causes it to be dead. The Dead Sea is actually receding, as you can see. The shoreline was much higher previously because water from the Jordan River is being diverted for irrigation purposes. This is part of the Great Syrian Rift Valley. So the ironic thing is, yeah, here you are in the middle of, right next to a big inland body of water, but everybody's swimming. You can swim in the Dead Sea, but it's quite an ordeal because you have to take a shower afterwards because the salt just covers you. And it's really not that pleasant. You can hang out, I guess, and you really can't sink. I've done it before. I'm not going to do it today.